everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up after the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get some life, you get box keepers, so anything I kept from the box for the week, or anything that I shared with you this week, as well as puppies. So I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing that. I'm Laura if you're new. So I do have furry friends that like to hang out with me. I like to refer to them as the trio of terror. We have Loki, Dexter, and Willie. And basically they're just here so you're not just listening to me all the time or looking at me all the time, right? And for today, it is a little chilly this morning. So waking up, it's only 58. It is supposed to get up to 73, but you can see it's like blue skies. It was blue skies yesterday. It started out cold, but it got so warm and nice. I think that'll be the same today. So it's going to be a beautiful weekend. And for my outfit today, I'm pretty casual. I have on cut from the cloth, the denim I got in a Trendsend, paired with a denim vest from Vigoss that I got in a Wantable. I just have on a little green bralette underneath. And for shoes, I had to pop it with some leopard. How about that? By Dolce Vita. And I didn't even bother putting jewelry on today because I have videos to do and work to do, so I didn't even add jewelry. It's Sunday. I hope your week starts off amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. 61 degrees out, getting up to 73 today. Again, blue skies. We have some clouds today, but it's really pretty out. It does feel a little cool right now. It's still morning, but it should get pretty nice. The trio of terror are all here, aren't you? Look at Loki, isn't he the cutest? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And for my outfit today, I have on shorts from Evereve that I got in a Trendsend. I have on a Good American top also from a Trendsend. I have on a smooth like tank underneath here that's also by Evereve, if I can show it to you without ripping my, see like that nice smooth tank, which are really great. Also from Evereve and from a Trendsend. And then for my shoes, how about these fun Dolce Vitas? Got those last year. And for jewelry, I have on my normal, the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and we're ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. No outside because it is a little bit before 5 a.m. so it's pitch black outside. So we're going to do this inside, and no puppers because they're sleeping in. Go figure. And for my outfit today, I have on Pistola jeans. Love these. Paired it with a Michael Stars blue tank and this adorable cardigan from Anthropologie I got last year. And then for shoes, how about these ones? They are from Dolce Vita. Fun little gold. And for jewelry, my normal, the necklace my husband got me. I want my bracelet stack, and we are going to hit the road. It's going to be pretty nice today. I think 72 for a high. It's 54 right now. I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 50 degrees outside, getting up to 81 today. Oh, it would be such a great cool day. Anyway, my Loft haul post today, please go check it out. It's so good. So good. Loft has been getting some really pretty pieces in for the spring and summer. The prices have been amazing, so please go check out that video. And for today's outfit, I have on a Z Supply set that I got at a boutique. Z Supply pants, Z Supply tank. I love it. It's like a textured material. And then I paired it with this jacket cut from the cloth with the pinstripe I got several years ago. And I believe I got this in I think I got it in a Trendsend. So I paired it with these cute little shoes from a Trendsend. They're by Vince Camuto, sticking with the nudes. And then all the jewelry I had on yesterday is the same. And so off to work I go. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. All the puppies are here and accounted for. Willie's behind me. I don't know if you can see him, but he stole Loki's stick, so there you have it. It's a beautiful day out here. 79 degrees, getting up to 81 is just before 2 o'clock. And yeah, it is like so pretty out here. So pretty. Let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Sanctuary shorts. I love these. They're like a little, you know, running stripe track short. It's so cute. They're by Sanctuary. Got them in a Trendsend last year. Paired with a Evereve tank and a Evereve jacket, also all from a Trendsend. I actually think the tank is Z Supply, but I think it's still from Trendsend. I think it's Z Supply. And how about these fun shoes? They're by Dolce Vita. And for jewelry, I have on a Goriana, no, I think it's Love AJ necklace. The necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and off to work I went. Huh. Yes, we had a busy day. We have a busy day today, don't we? All right, I will see you tomorrow. It will be Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. And let's see, I do have a Friday funny for you. It's not overly funny, but I thought it was cute. So anytime I can, I take Dexter for a walk or the dogs for a walk. Willie tends to go with my son a lot, so he gets a lot of walks. Loki, and so I'll do Loki, and then the next time I'll do Dexter. And this is just Dexter on his walk, and his little tail is going, and he is so happy. And usually if I take the dogs together, he's lagging behind, but this time he's like so happy to be on his own and going for his walk. So his little butt wiggles I thought were super cute. And for my outfit today, I have on a Sanctuary set, so a Sanctuary little knot top with a pair of linen shorts. They're all wrinkled. I know I've been sitting all day working, but they're so cute. And then how about my aerosol sandals as my shoe, and then the rest is jewelry you've already seen this week. And that's my outfit today. All right, I will see you tomorrow for one more. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is a bit windy out here. 69, it's supposed to get up to 82. It's supposed to rain later, but it's supposed to be nice until like 3 or so. Hello. So hopefully that holds. And my Trendsend posted today, such a good one. I'm on such a good roll with Trendsend. Like, I do love their clothes, but my stylist has just been great. I kept everything from that box except for 3 items. The crochet skirt, which I love, but was way too short for me. And then the linen set, so that, I think it was blue and tan Evereve linen set. The top was too small, the bottom was too big. Like, it was, just didn't work, and I decided it probably wasn't for me, but I thought it was super pretty. So, amazing box. I highly recommend giving Trendsend a try. And then I have an update on JB Stylebox. If you haven't heard, one of you told me, and then it was odd. I got a note from Carol, my stylist, telling me that one of the co-owners was taking my box, and then a week later I was told they were doing away with JB Stylebox. So I will be sharing my last box here shortly. I actually got it last month, but they actually asked me to hold it. Must have been deciding what they were going to do. So I will post that one, and it'll be my final JB Stylebox. I didn't get one for June. I'm sad about that. I think that was a great way for people who don't live in, you know, Michigan to be able to get some really beautiful pieces from their boutique. However, you can still shop online, of course. And for my final outfit this week, I am sticking with casual. I have on Z Supply shorts and a Free People top. I have on one of my Ebbies underneath for my little bralette because it comes down a little bit low, so that worked out well. My shoes are these fun Vince Camuto, little gold wedge. And then for jewelry, I have on a necklace that I got in a box. I'm not even sure which one at this point. And my bracelet stack. And that is my outfit, and that's it for outfit of the day this week. As always, I'll list all the outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes the items came from. And I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Please do comment down below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to height. Bye-bye.